Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching for the first time, hi, I'm Rohita Sen. For prepping my skin, I'm using rose water. For the sunscreen, I'm using Sunshade Sunscreen in the SPF 30+. This sunscreen is great. It doesn't give you white cast and is a non-greasy formula. For priming my face, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. You can use any primer as per your skin type. For the base, I'm using a full coverage foundation. But I'm using a very little quantity of the foundation. You can use any CC cream or BB cream for the base. For the eye look, I'm using the Nykaa 10-in-1 Beachside Peach Eyeshadow Palette. First, I'm creating a transition color. For that, I'm using a light brown shade from the same palette. You can use any other palette. After I am done with the transition color, I will deepen my crease line. For that, I am using a deeper shade of brown. Using the same deeper shade of brown, I will be applying it on the outer V and deepening it a little further. After we have created the crease line and we are done with the transition color, I will be using a very light shade over my lid space. It will help in giving me a more bright eye look. I'm using a very light peachy nude shade from the same palette. I will be highlighting my inner corner using a golden eyeshadow from the same palette. After I am done with the eyeshadow, I will be combing my brows and then filling them. For filling in them, I am using a black eyeshadow, but you can use any other brow definer. For giving my face a more lifted look, I am using a powder contour from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Woody Wonder. For giving my cheeks a fresh look, I am using blush from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Coral Climax. For finishing off the look, I am using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. You can use any other mascara. Before applying the lip color, I am using an orange tinted lip balm. It will help in hiding any darkness or pigmentation over my lips. I will be removing the excess lip balm and then I will be applying the lip color. For the lip color, I am using the Faces Canada Deep Nude. You can use any other nude shade of lipstick. So we are done with the eye look and the makeup. This eyeshadow look is great when you are in a hurry and you need to do your makeup in just 5 minutes. Without much hassle, this eyeshadow look will be completed. This eyeshadow will make your eyes look more bright and fresh and make your eyes look less tired. I hope you loved this video. If you did, please hit the like button below and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just right next to it so you are notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching.